In this video today, I'm going to show you how I assembled these little ducks that I'm going to take on my next cruise so that I can hide them on my next cruise. And these have been assembled so that they don't fall apart, so that they can be easily hidden on the cruise ship. And so let's begin. Okay, this particular kit comes with some little chains that can go around the duck's neck, some sunglasses, a little hat, an inner tube, and of course the rubber duck. Now I put the chains on it, and then I put just a small dab of E6000 clear glue on the back with a little toothpick. You probably don't need to do that, but I did it just to give it a little more security for the chain. Now the next step, once you put the chain on, is to put the sunglasses on. And so they pretty much stay on themselves without much problem. And so I just get them positioned. Now the next step is you want to put the hat on. Now the hat itself doesn't stick on, so they do provide some glue dots with this particular kit. And so what I have been doing is I have been cutting the glue dots in half, just like this. And then I take half of the glue dot and I will put one half onto one edge of the hat and the other one on the other side of the hat. So it's like this. So I have one glue dot on this side and one glue dot on this side. And then you just remove the covers for the glue dots. So my glue dot is here and the glue dot is here. And so what I do is I've got the glue dot here and the glue dot here, and I just set it down on the head of the duck like that, and it will stick. These glue dots stick quite well. Now the same thing with the little inner tube. I take half of one of the glue dots and I put it on one side, and then the other half I will put on the other side, just like that. And so you can see about how high. This is the center right here, and so it's up maybe, a little, almost a half of an inch, I'd say, from the center here. And so you remove the paper from it to show the glue dots. So I have the glue dot here and the glue dot here. And then I am just going to set the duck on top of it. And that way you've got the duck sticking. Whoops. If you have the glue dots too low, you can raise them up a little bit so that it's in contact with the duck. But this way, everything is connected good together. And here's the final duck, ready to be hidden on my next cruising adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.